Welcome to Psalm 23 Affirmation, powerful spoken word for daily encouragement. Whatever we say in God's hearing, He does for us. Our words have power, and when we declare His truth, we align our lives with His promises. Today, as we speak Psalm 23 over our lives, let's remember that God's word never returns void. It accomplishes what He desires. Speak boldly, believe fully, and watch God move in your life. Now declare after me, I shall not want, because the Lord is my shepherd. I lie down in green pastures because the Lord enables me. I am led beside still waters because the Lord is my guide. My soul is restored because the Lord refreshes me. I walk in paths of righteousness because the Lord directs my steps for His name's sake. I will fear no evil because the Lord is with me, even in the valley of the shadow of death. I am comforted because His rod and His staff protect and guide me. My table is prepared before me, even in the presence of my enemies. My head is anointed with oil, and my cup runs over with blessings. Goodness and mercy follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Today, walk in faith, knowing that God hears your words and responds to your faith. His promises are unshakable, His love is eternal, and He is guiding your every step. Affirm His word over and over again until it sinks deep into your subconscious, shaping your thoughts, your actions, and your life itself. But when God's truth takes root within you, your life will begin to move in alignment with His promises, almost like autopilot, and you'll start to see His power unfold in incredible ways. Like this video, if this affirmation blessed you. Subscribe for more faith-filled affirmations and encouragement. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Comment below. What part of Psalm 23 speaks to you the most? Do have a blessed and wonderful day.